Boom guys, and welcome to my channel. I'm Spider31, and today in this video I'm going to show you how to make 3D intros on your PC, Android or iOS device. And today in this method which I'm going to show you on the PC device, you can use it in any device. So just you want the internet connection, go on the Google and type over here PANZZOID Panzer. So once you click this, a page like this will open. Click on this first link, Panzer, and a page like this, and select any intro outro you want. Like I like this, so I need to make an outro. I'm going to show you how to make an outro plus intro. So I'll just open this in clip maker. Guys, it takes a bit time, bit moment. Okay, yeah, this is a normal rough page, and if you want to watch this really, this is how it will look. Click on this eye icon over here. Wait a second. Click on this eye icon and play. Oh my god, I'm sorry guys, just wait one. Okay, so if you watch the video, this outro, so next what I'm going to do is just scroll this till it's visible. Yeah, over here it's perfectly visible. Now we are going to go in this over here. You can see, click on this don't go shape, go down, and over here it's a name. So let's check which name it is. I guess this the upper one. So I'm going to type Aryan Spider. Over here, second one too, Aryan Spider. Oh yeah, it's perfect fitting on Spider. And now next I'm going to add the name. So add Aryan Spider. Oh, that's going inside. So this is the method. Now when you have finished this, like I just don't need it. That's better because I'm not on Twitter, Insta or anything. So after I do this guys, next thing you have to do is, if you want to change your audio, click your audio file, select, go to any file which you want. Like I need Star Wars Imperials, it's my favorite song. So okay, I selected it, and now check this magic out. Okay, I'm going to give you this song's link in my description below. Click this link if you want to watch the video of this song, and if you want to download, there's a link in that video description. So then after you finish this, go to this download button and click start video render. It'll start rendering. It takes a bit time. While it's rendering, I'll just show you how to make an intro. So just search for a 3D intro you like just your 3D your name into 3D intro. Your 22 minutes remaining. Okay, over here guys, it's your So we'll just click the I invoice the intro. Okay, so this is way like this. Okay, now just change. We are going to do go in the box, add out this, and go down. It's your cancel this. Type whatever you want, like I need Aryan. Here go and try Aryan. Then go down. Your name. Cancel this spider. Cancel this and the spider. And over here you can see my iron spider is perfectly fitting over here. Now let's check this out from over here. So this is the magic of this website. I just use this website to make intros and outros. So that's a kind of amazing thing, like your camera animation or a track. I like that audio, but I just not go in copyright and check Wizard. Okay, not Wizard, animals. Animals, and I'm going to give you the link of this song too in the description below. Okay, so let's listen to this song. Okay, that's a bit fishy song, so I'll give a bunch of songs link in your description down below. Hope you like this video, guys. You can just download this video too from the start video render. After doing render, you have to just click download and it will download in the 3 seconds. Hope you like a video, guys. Good. Hope you like this video. Click on the subscribe button to add to my subscription, and click on this bell icon to get the notification very first after when I upload a new video. And if you and over here you can see my videos. And thanks for watching, guys. Be sure to subscribe over here on this icon over here. Click on this video that thing emailed me, and this is a random video. So sign up for now, log in, see ya.